In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and test GLM 5.2 for free using Cloudflare Workers AI inside OpenCode. With Workers AI, Cloudflare provides a free allocation of 10,000 neurons per day. Now this is more than enough to try out powerful open models such as GLM 5.2, Kimike 2.6, and many others. If your usage exceeds 10,000 neurons per day, you can upgrade to the paid plan. However, with the free tier, you don't have to pay anything. And as you can see, I'm running GLM 5.2 inside OpenCode and it works perfectly. Now let me show you how I set this up. Now first open Cloudflare and click Login. If this is your first time using Cloudflare, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Now once you're logged in, select AI models from the sidebar and search for GLM 5.2. And as you can see, this is one of the most powerful open source agentic coding models available right now. Then choose GLM 5.2 from here and enter a prompt. And as you can see, it responds perfectly. Now let's use this model inside OpenCode with an API token. Now first install OpenCode. Simply visit the OpenCode website and copy the installation command and paste it into your terminal. After the installation is complete, add the OpenCode path to your system's environment variables. Once it's done, launch OpenCode. Next, let's connect OpenCode to Cloudflare Workers AI. To connect to Cloudflare, we need a Workers account ID and API token. Now go back to Cloudflare, select Workers AI from the sidebar, and then click REST API. Now copy your Workers account ID and paste it into OpenCode, then press Enter. Next, we need an API token to access GLM 5.2 and other models. Now click Create API Token. Now give the token a name and then click Create. Now copy the generated API token and paste it into OpenCode, then press Enter. And that's it. You can now access Cloudflare's free tier open models. Now choose GLM 5.2 and press Enter. Now let's send a prompt to verify everything is working correctly. I'm going to ask it to find the battery cycle count on a MacBook Air. And as you can see, it returns with a valid answer and everything works perfectly. Now let's try using GLM 5.2 inside VSCode. I will open a brand new terminal and launch OpenCode again. And this time, I will ask it to create a modern to-do list application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, as you can see, it starts generating the code and writing the source files automatically. The entire process took around 3 minutes. Now, let's check the result. And as you can see, this is the application it has created. The design looks great, the dark mode works properly, and the user experience is impressive. Now let's add an item to the list. You can see that each task includes a check button and a delete button for removing items. Now keep in mind that GLM 5.2 is a top-tier agentic coding model capable of building impressive websites and applications. And lastly, you can also monitor your neuron usage. And as you can see, I have already used around 1300 neurons while testing this setup. If your usage exceeds 10,000 neurons per day, you can upgrade to a paid plan for additional capacity. And that's how you can run GLM 5.2 inside OpenCode using Cloudflare Workers AI's free tier. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.